Hey y'all, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. I'm Kel, and this is my channel. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. So I went to the thrift store on March the 5th. So you're probably seeing this video maybe weeks from now, but I want to show you what I went and I picked up. So I did the pleasure of unwrapping everything because the newspaper and the video is kind of loud and sometimes it can be annoying. But anywho, I went and I found these beautiful, dessert. To me, they're like dessert parfait sundae glasses, and they were 49 cents. And I got a total of 8. That's the first 4. And then I got another set over here. So good deal. $4 for 8 sundae glasses. Perfect find. And this is what I actually went into the thrift store looking for to make my fake sundaes. So I have 8 of them now. And I will be selling my fake homemade foods very soon. I'm working on a merchandise video and I'm just trying to, get my stock in. So if anybody's interested and wants to pre-order any of my cupcakes or my sundaes, my milkshakes, anything on that nature that you may have been seeing in any of my past videos, please feel free to hit me up on my email. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it at hotmail.com. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Of course, on my Facebook. I prefer Facebook because I can get the message faster. But anyway, we're going to move on. I just wanted to throw that out there before I do forget. And then I came across just these plain big goblet glasses, and these were 49 cents, and they only had 4. So I thought this was kind of different, especially with the design. These will be nice to sit outside, and these are really heavy. These will be really nice to sit out on the back porch, ice water or whatever you want to put in them. And then I found this miniature pitcher. It was 79 cents. I thought it said 29, but it was 79 cents. And this is really nice. I mean, all sorts of things you can put in it. But I think if I had like a Sunday brunch, I would utilize this for maybe the maple syrup. You can just pour it down in there. And actually, if you've seen my Walmart video a couple weeks ago, it's like almost the baby image of the bigger one that I scored for $7. It's just a miniature one of it. Pretty cool, huh? So, 79 cents. I'll find something to do with it. It'll be one on my tablescapes. Then I found this little miniature cup set. To me, it's like a, what are the little drinks? They're like a little bistro or cappuccino drinks for 79 cents. And you may will have seen this in a past video, because like I'm saying, I am filming this in March, and you probably won't get this video until April. So you may have seen some of the stuff, but this is the video to it. And I thought this was so adorable. This was only 49 cents. I wish they had a whole set of 4 of these But here is the detail of it. And it only had one. Little bistro. I guess it's bistro. I have to look it up. But 49 cents. This is fabulous. Okay. Then I don't know. Somebody must have dropped off a whole bunch of craft because they had this 2 beads of pearls for 99 cents. And you know you're not getting this for no 99 cents at Hobby Lobby, at Michael's, and it's over 25 yards. 25 yards. So you'll be seeing this on some tablescapes as well. And bam, I got a whole spool of lace. Look at that. I don't even know how many yards is on that, but look at the detail. Let me unwrap it so you can see the print. Just a basic lace print. And I paid for all of this 99 cents. So, you will see this in my upcoming sewing series. And then they had another one, and this one looks like it's bigger than that one for 99 cents. And I believe it's the same pattern. Oh my goodness, there's so many things running through my mind what I'm gonna make with these, like dollies for your table, lace placemats, a lace table runner, a lace coffee table, your table cover. So I was just ecstatic when I got these. I just got to figure out how I'm going to put it all together. And then lastly, I think this is my favorite item out of everything that I picked up. Now, you ladies and gentlemen that are into the dolls, y'all know what this is. I scored doll stands, and they were 49 cents. This is kind of for like a bigger doll, which will be gifting this to my mom. She has a lot of dolls that need to be on the stand. But I found the smaller ones, 49 cents. And this will be for my Barbie doll stand. You just stick them in there and they stand up. And I only could get 2 of them. Do you know how much these run? Oh my goodness, they run anywhere between $11 and $20. And to get them for 49 cents, oh, I would have bought every one of them if I could have just got them. But to start off, I have 2 of the smaller ones. And I don't know if a regular 11 by 12 Barbie can go on this. I'm going to try it because it really doesn't bend. Oh, it does kind of that wide if you had a bigger doll. But I have to see. I think I'm going to give this to my mom for one of her dolls that doesn't have a stand. Mostly all her collective items that she has, she does have stands for her dolls. But I think I've seen 1 or 2 that she does need a stand for. And oh, and I totally forgot about this. Look, y'all. Mega deal. 12 chargers for $2.99. $2.99. Now y'all know y'all would pay $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. So it would be $12 for all 12 of these, and I got them for $3 for 12 of them. And I actually don't even have this metallic gold. They don't have this. They never had this style at my Dollar Tree. At least I don't remember if they do. I do have to double check, because when I did Truly's baby shower, I had bought 50 of them. And y'all know about my storage. I was only able to reach into one box and grab out 20 like since Christmas. So there's about 30 more that are sitting in storage. But in the meantime, I scored these for $2.99. So I'm going to clean these up. And I have 12. I have a 6-piece setting. So I'm going to save 6 for me. And then I will be gifting 4 to my mom for her table if she doesn't have these, and then I'll be giving my cousin. Congratulations, Jay, to getting she got her dining room table, and y'all will be seeing tablescapes from my cousin up in Jersey if she's got to take pictures, and if I got to put it in a video to upload her tablescape. So I will be gifting her some of these when I go up to New Jersey to see her, and then that way she can have a nice little pretty tablescape. So with that being said, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Remember, if somebody that likes these type of videos, that want to come over and see what I'm doing over here on my channel, please let them know about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, y'all stay blessed until the next video.